Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. In this analysis with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we will try to find out the targets for the day and the expectation where to enter, where to exit. Everything will be shared here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the analysis with gold first. Gold right now trading below the support at 1960. It is looking forward to 1950. It appears, as I shared in my weekly analysis, 1950 is going to be a good support. Now look at this. This is the hourly charts for gold, and right now it is come down to the critical support, trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the hourly charts and trading at the bottom on stochastic 2. It is on the sell side, so hourly charts, it appears probably from here we might see a little bounce back, and also this is a good support. So we have to consider this. Look at the 2-hour chart. The status is more or less same here. Only long entry is beyond 1980, as I shared in my today morning analysis. Also 2-hour charts also at bottom stochastic, and on the 3-hour chart status is same. Here you can find on the 3-hour charts that there is a little support available at around this zone, and I have told this today morning also that you can go short, one can remain short below 1970. It will definitely touch 1960 levels. It did touch 1960. Now if it breaks this zone at 1958, probably we might see 1950 and 1945 on the charts. Also look at this. The stock DPO is trading in red, stochastic trading at bottom, and MACD is still on sell side. So we have to be a little bit cautious with our longs, but yes, it can bounce back a little before trying to drop. 4-hour charts is still looking downwards, and MACD on the 4-hour charts are still on sell. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see how beautifully this candle and this candle almost are of equal length. Almost it is done. Probably it can try to close this 4-hour candle at around 1940, 1959, 1958 zone, and yes, from there how far it goes we have to look at. It may see a little bounce back from here again towards 1970 zone. So yes, we have to be a little bit cautious here. Next candle it may try to bounce back a little because the hourly 2-hour 3-hour charts are trading at the bottom, of the Bollinger Bands, and trading at the bottom of the on the stochastic too. So we have to be a little bit cautious here while our shorts, but those who are short can still keep their shorts and keep their stop loss at 1965 for now. Also, if it breaks 1960 successfully, in the sense if it breaks this zone at 1958, probably yes, you can still go short and you can expect it to hit 1950 and 1945 levels. This zone is going to be important for gold. Probably we may see a little bounce back from there too. So it is, as said, it is in a critical zone right now. It might get a little support, but look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, I had told in my weekly analysis very clearly that here you can expect it to complete this. Now how far this could go, see it has got its support and the completion of the journey. Daily charts are still under making, so probably it can try to hit this zone at 1940, 1950. It may try to achieve this today itself. Probably this much large candle can appear. In fact, it can go well below this, and it can try to hit 1930 also. So till here it is an expectation that it can try to achieve 1940, 1930 levels before trying to bounce back again tomorrow. And yes, this is achievable. This is achievable on gold today. Now look at the daily stochastic near to oversold zone. Probably today's drop, and maybe it will bounce back from tomorrow again. Now look at the weekly chart. So as I said in my weekly analysis, this zone between 1930 to 1950 is a very good buying zone. Probably you can buy today at the bottom at around 1930, because see it has got a strongest support at 1900, 1910. After 1945 zone, it is directly 1900, 1910, which is going to give it a stronger support. So I don't expect that. Probably it may try to, see there is a good fall right now at 1955 it has come down to, and yes, it may try to come down to 1950 as we are just making this video. Probably this is going to be a stronger support at 1950, 1945, and from there it can bounce back again. So yes, be cautious with your shorts and with your longs. It is overbought on the weekly charts. Probably it can try to give a red candle on the weekly charts too. So this is what we can. Now summarizing my observation here, yes, 1958 levels can be a good support level. Below this it will definitely try to hit 1951, and 1945 level. These two levels will provide a support, and in fact it can drop till 1930 also. Be very cautious with your longs today. Only long entry, only entry to buy is at 1980. Till that time it is below 1980. Every rise is an opportunity to sell, and it can drop down till 1930 levels and 1935 levels. Probably this zone may give a little support, else 1910 is on cards. So stay cautious with longs, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US100 for the day. This is the daily chart for US100. US100 has got its support intact at 13 to 70 levels, and below 13 to 70 only I will recommend you to go short. Once it is below 13 to 70, you can expect it to come down, and it can give you bigger candles. It can give you bigger candle which can be of this much size, almost 300-400 points. If it drops below 13200, definitely it will try to take it below 13,000 levels also today itself. So trade with caution. I think 13200 levels, first is 13270 and then 13200. These zone should not be broken today. If it trades below 13200, it is going to hit 13,000. Be very cautious, be very alert with the longs there. And till the time it is about 13270 and 13200, probably we may see a rise again. We can expect it to head again towards 13400. Remember, 13400 today again it has provided a stronger resistance for the upside move. Stochastic looking down here, and MACD lines are running parallel. On the 4-hour charts, it is oversold, and hence a bounce back can be expected. And yes, a red candle there on the charts getting a support at 13300. Probably we may see a little bounce back from here, higher lows, and if it breaks 13 to 70, then only I will expect it to drop, and this time the drop can be huge if it breaks 13 to 70 and 200 levels. These two levels I will be really waiting for, and I will be watching out for. Till the time it trades above this, probably you can again expect it to get a green candle next time on the 4-hour charts, and yes, it can rise till towards 13400 500 levels. It is still on sell on MACD. On the 3-hour charts, yes, on the 3-hour charts, this is, see, higher lows, higher highs, and it is expanding in nature. So till the time it remains above 13300 and 13270, yes, you can expect it to rise. And if it breaks 13270, see, it can try to come back till towards 13200, and this will be the there will be the equilibrium at 13300. So with this at equilibrium, it can swing between 13200 to 13400 levels, and a pivot at around 13300. It can try to swing from here. It can bounce back from 13200. Be very cautious, be very alert there. Now look at the 3-hour charts also. On the stochastic, it is oversold, and hence can see a bounce back, but we have to be very cautious there. On the 2-hour charts, it is giving a red candle, so almost a megaphone sort of pattern, but very small in size, and giving a red candle there, trying to take it down. Probably this time if it breaks 13270, it may try to hit 13200, and from there I will be observant if it tries to bounce back. See, it is oversold on the charts there on the 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour charts. And look at the hourly charts. Hourly charts are also indicating, but this time it is giving a strong bearish move. See, I don't know, there is some event happening there, and that is what is causing this drop. It is a strong drop which is trying to pull it down. I am not sure. It can be any news, it can be anything which is trying to get this movement right now. But yes, this zone at 13 to 70 definitely should be a good support. Below this, 13200 is on cards, and in between these zone I will be really careful. From below 13200, mark my words, it is going to hit 13,000 levels. So below 13200, don't forget to short. It is going to hit 13,000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. This is all for US100. Any long entry above 13400 and any short entry below 13200. Yes, in between these 200 points, you have to be a little bit cautious there. It can bounce back. It is oversold, and hence we can still see a bounce back. However, I don't know what is driving right now, or what is pulling right now this down. So let's be a little cautious while taking a position there in between these 200 points. Now let's have a look at US30. And if you look at US30, US30 right now trading at 33,180 levels. And see, this time interestingly, both gold and the indices US30 and US100 both are looking forward to a drop right now. So yes, be a little cautious. And look at the US30. US30 has got its support in this zone between 33,150 on the hourly charts. If it breaks 33,150, you can expect it to drop sharply, and this zone at 33,150 and 100, this is going to be a stronger support zone. I don't expect it to be taken. If this is taken, this is going to give you a sharper drop and it will take it below 33,000 levels. And look at the stochastic on the hourly chart. It is comfortable there. On the 2-hour charts, you will find that it is near to overbought, trying to look down, and after this megaphone pattern it is trying to come down here, and probably the pivot at around 33,100 can be tested there, but we have to be cautious. And right now it is trying to move down, but let's see whether it continues with this momentum. On the 3-hour charts, yes, it is looking upwards there and still bullish, and from here you can see, from here if it drops the next candle, if it comes down to this zone and breaks 33,100, probably it is going to give you a sharper red candle, taking it below 33,000 and 32,900 levels, and in fact below that, sky is the limit, it can drop heavily. Anything is possible. These are markets beyond you and me. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, probably there is a support available at around 33,100 and 150 zone. If this zone is taken, yes, I'll be turning bearish. If this zone is taken, I'll be expecting it to hit 32,900, 32,800 zone, and in fact it can drop below. On the upside, yes, there is a resistance at around 33,300. This is a strong resistance zone, and then 33,400. It can achieve 33,400, 450 levels before looking forward to a drop. Look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts, the candle is still green, higher lows, and it is well supported there, and probably looking forward to trade in this zone, that is 33,400 to 33,050 levels. Any drop below 33,100 this time, in fact, will take it towards 33,050, which is a stronger support. Below that, definitely it will try to break towards 32,900. This time it may give you a sharper red candle. If it breaks 33,000, stay cautious. It is going to give you a sharper red candle. 33,000, below that it will try to get towards 32,800, 32,700 zone. That is going to be a stronger support zone, and below that it may try to break strongly. Now, because today is the first day of the week, let's have a look at the weekly charts also. On the weekly charts, yes, here I'll be looking forward for it to break 33,000. If 33,000 and 32,950 is taken, this is going to give you another sharp red candle. Look at this, the highs are being done, and now it is looking forward to a drop. So probably you can expect that it is going to be a bearish week again, and it might trade between these levels. Yes, a good short entry at 33,100 can be taken. There you can expect it to drop towards 33,050 and 33,000 levels, which might turn out to be a stronger support than 32,950. And below that it is going to give it a stronger drop. So take a short entry at 33,100, and at the same time a long entry at 33,400 only. I will suggest in between these 300 points, be a little bit cautious and be a little bit alert. This is all from my side, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me via email or Telegram for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.